Well, hello everybody. My name's Alan. I like talking about electrics. I've been away for a while, but now I'm back. In this video, I would like to talk about induction motors. Comes up as a common question. How do they work? How do they really work? It's magical. You have a cage spinning round. What's going on in there? So here we go then. So if you're ready, let's take a look then.
Okay, so here we go then. The mystery of the induction motor. First off, big hats off to Nikola Tesla. Done a lot of great things in his life. This is probably his greatest legacy because it just is everywhere. Every electric car, washing machines, they're everywhere. Why? Because they're cheap to build. The simple engineering. So how do they work? Here we go. Right. So the way I usually teach this is I draw a transformer. So I do it in colour. So I do, say, a primary in black, and then let's do a secondary in purple. All right. So you know how a transformer works. You get an alternating current in the primary, so you get an alternating magnetic field, and that magnetic field then is growing and collapsing. And it cuts through the secondary, and it induces a voltage in the secondary. Okay. So if I was to get that secondary then, I'm doing it in blue now. If I was to short it out, then I'd have a current running around this secondary, and it would be generating its own magnetic field. Okay, so with that in mind, now let's look at this down here now, right? If I did a stator, and then I did a primary in black, okay, like so, and then what I'd do is, excuse the phone, and then what I'd do then is, I'd put a cage rotor inside, that would become my secondary. Okay, so I'd be inducing, so I get a primary alternating magnetic field here, it's inducing into the secondary, but the current's got nowhere to go. But if I short the bars out at the ends on the cage, then it behaves like this. Now we get current running up and down the bars. This cage is free to rotate. So this magnetic field that generates in these bars, well, it either chases or it's repelled by this rotating magnetic field that's in the stator. And that's basically how it works. So, as I teach it in class, basically what is an induction motor? It's a spinning transformer. There you go. So there it is.